good habits that can change your life for beginners. Hello, and welcome to our English podcast. Today, we are going to talk about something very important: good habits. Good habits can change our lives. They can make us healthier. They can make us happier. They can help us become more successful. And the good news is this: you do not need to change your whole life in one day. You can start with one small habit. One small habit every day. In this podcast, I will talk about several simple good habits. Please listen slowly. Do not worry if you do not understand every word. Listen again and again. You can also pause the podcast and repeat the sentences. This is a good way to improve your English. So, let's begin. Wake up early. The first good habit is waking up early. Waking up early can give you more time in the morning. When you wake up early, you do not need to hurry. You can start your day slowly. You can drink some water. You can take a shower. You can eat breakfast. You can think about your plans for the day. For example, I wake up at 6 o'clock every morning. This is a simple sentence. You can repeat it. I wake up at 6 o'clock every morning. Another sentence. I like to start my day early. I like to start my day early. You do not have to wake up at 5 o'clock. You do not have to wake up at 4 o'clock. The important thing is to get enough sleep. If you sleep late every night, waking up early can be difficult. So try to go to bed at a reasonable time. Sleep well. Wake up well. Start your day well. 2. Drink more water. The second good habit is drinking enough water. Water is very important for our bodies. Many people forget to drink water during the day. They may drink coffee, they may drink soda, they may drink other sweet drinks, but water is still very important. Try to drink water regularly. You can drink water when you wake up. You can drink water before a meal. You can drink water after exercise. You can also keep a bottle of water near you. This makes drinking water easier. Here is a useful English sentence. I drink water throughout the day. Repeat. I drink water throughout the day. Another sentence. I always carry a bottle of water. I always carry a bottle of water. Small habits can make a big difference. 3. Eat healthy food. The third good habit is eating healthy food. Food gives us energy. The food we eat can affect how we feel. Try to eat more vegetables. Eat fruit. Eat healthy sources of protein. And try not to eat too much junk food. Of course, you can enjoy your favorite food sometimes. You do not have to be perfect. The goal is balance. For example, instead of eating fast food every day, you can cook at home several times a week. Cooking at home can also save money. You can choose your ingredients. You can control how much sugar and salt you use. A useful sentence is, I try to eat healthy food. Repeat. I try to eat healthy food. Another sentence. I cook at home most days. I cook at home most days. Remember, healthy eating is not about being perfect. It is about making better choices. One meal does not change your life, but your daily habits can. 4. Exercise every day. The fourth good habit is exercise. Exercise is good for your body. It is also good for your mind. You do not need to go to a gym every day. You can walk, you can stretch, you can ride a bicycle, you can dance. You can do simple exercises at home. Even a short walk can be helpful. For example, I walk for 30 minutes every day. Repeat, I walk for 30 minutes every day. Another sentence, I exercise to stay healthy. I exercise to stay healthy. If you are very busy, start with 10 minutes. 10 minutes is better than 0 minutes. Start small. Be consistent. Do it again tomorrow and again the next day. 5. Read every day. The fifth good habit is reading. Reading can improve your knowledge. It can also improve your English. You do not need to read a long book every day. You can read for 10 minutes. You can read a short article. You can read a simple English story. You can read a few pages of a book. The important thing is to make reading a habit. Here is a useful sentence. I read for 10 minutes every day. Repeat. I read for 10 minutes every day. If you are learning English, try reading easy English books. Do not choose a book that is too difficult. Choose something you can understand. When you see a new word, write it down. Then learn the meaning. Later, try to use the word in a sentence. Reading a little every day is better than reading a lot only once a month. 6. Learn something new. Another good habit is learning something new every day. You can learn a new English word. You can learn about business. You can learn about technology. You can learn how to cook. You can learn a new skill. You can watch an educational video. You can listen to a podcast. You can read a book. Learning does not have to be difficult. Even 15 minutes a day can help. Think about this. 15 minutes today, 15 minutes tomorrow, 15 minutes the next day. After 1 year, you will have spent many hours learning. A useful sentence is, I learn something new every day. Repeat. I learn something new every day. Learning is a habit, and knowledge can stay with you for a lifetime. 7. Spend less time on your phone. Now let's talk about another important habit. Spend less time on your phone. Phones are useful. We use them to communicate, we use them to work, we use them to learn. But sometimes we use them too much. We open social media, we watch one video, then another video, then another video. Suddenly, 1 hour is gone. Sometimes 2 hours are gone. This can waste a lot of time. Try to control your screen time. For example, you can turn off unnecessary notifications. You can put your phone away when you are working. You can avoid using your phone before sleeping. You can also have a period of the day without social media. A useful sentence is, I try to spend less time on my phone. Repeat. I try to spend less time on my phone. Your time is valuable. Use it carefully. 8. Plan your day. The next good habit is planning your day. A simple plan can help you stay organized. Every morning, think about the things you need to do. You can write down 3 important tasks. For example, number 1, finish my work. Number 2, exercise for 20 minutes. Number 3, study English. 3 simple tasks. That is enough. You do not need a very long list. If you write 20 things on your list, you may feel stressed. Keep your plan simple. Ask yourself, what is the most important thing I need to do today? Then do it. A useful sentence is, I plan my day every morning. Repeat, I plan my day every morning. Planning helps you use your time better. 9. Keep your home clean. Another good habit is keeping your home clean. A clean environment can make you feel better. You do not need to clean everything at once. Clean a little every day. Put things back after using them. Wash your dishes. Throw away things you do not need. Keep your desk clean. Make your bed in the morning. These small actions can make your home more comfortable. A useful sentence is, I keep my room clean. Repeat. I keep my room clean. Another sentence. I clean a little every day. I clean a little every day. Remember, small actions become habits. Habits become part of your life. 10. Be positive. The next good habit is having a positive attitude. Life is not always easy. Sometimes we have problems. Sometimes we fail. Sometimes things do not go according to plan. That is normal. When something goes wrong, try not to give up immediately. Tell yourself, I can learn from this. I can try again. I can do better tomorrow. These are simple but powerful sentences. Instead of saying, I can't do it, try saying, I can't do it yet. The word yet is powerful. I can't do it yet. It means you may be able to do it in the future. A positive attitude does not mean ignoring problems. It means believing that you can find a way forward. 11. Be grateful. Another good habit is being grateful. Every day, think about 3 things you are thankful for. Maybe you are thankful for your family. Maybe you are thankful for your friends. Maybe you are thankful for your health. Maybe you are thankful for your job. Maybe you are thankful for a simple meal. Maybe you are thankful for another new day. You can write these things in a notebook. For example, today I am grateful for my family. I am grateful for my work. I am grateful for this beautiful day. These simple thoughts can help you appreciate your life. 12. Sleep well. Finally, let's talk about sleep. Good sleep is one of the most important habits. When you sleep well, you may have more energy. You may think more clearly. You may feel better during the day. Try to have a regular sleeping schedule. Go to bed at a similar time every night. Wake up at a similar time every morning. Try to make your bedroom comfortable. And if possible, avoid using your phone right before bed. Instead, you can read a book, you can listen to calm music, or you can simply relax. A useful sentence is, I try to get enough sleep every night. Repeat. I try to get enough sleep every night. Your body needs rest. Your mind needs rest. So give yourself time to sleep. Final message. Now, let's review the good habits we talked about today. Number 1, wake up early. Number 2, drink more water. Number 3, eat healthy food. Number 4, exercise every day. Number 5, read every day. Number 6, learn something new. Number 7, spend less time on your phone. Number 8, plan your day. Number 9, keep your home clean. Number 10, be positive. Number 11, be grateful. Number 12, sleep well. You do not need to start all 12 habits today. That is not necessary. Choose one, just one. Maybe you want to drink more water. Start there. Maybe you want to exercise. Start with 10 minutes. Maybe you want to read. Read 5 pages. Maybe you want to learn English. Study for 15 minutes. The most important thing is consistency. Small actions every day. Small improvements every day. One day you will look back and realize that your life has changed. Good habits do not usually change your life overnight. They change your life slowly, day by day, week by week, month by month. So start today. Choose one good habit. Make it simple, make it easy, and keep going. Thank you for listening to this Slow English podcast. If you're learning English, listen to this episode again. Listen slowly. Repeat the sentences. Speak out loud. And practice every day. Remember, small habits, big results. See you in the next English podcast. Goodbye and have a wonderful day. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel, Start Learn English today,